Question 35 talks about response to allergens. So allergen occurs when the allergens, the body find that it is alien to it. So the red blood cell wants to get rid of it. So the red blood cell want to go through the capillary tubes to go free, so it will release histamine. Histamine will make the capillary more transparent to red blood cell, so red blood cell can move through it and go to the allergen to tackle it or to attack it. So look at the options. Which one is correct? First of all, it is the allergens that trigger the response of the red blood cell. And red blood cell wants to release histamine, not antihistamine, to make the capillary tube more permeable to it, and it can go very quicker to the allergen place. Okay, so the answer is B. Thank you.